Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ang reaction video, ang Kairen compilation. Without further ado, let's all watch this. Ay, ano to?
Sana na gusto mo
Ay, ano to?
Kung meron kang sana na gusto mo
Sana?
Sana. Sana mulit muli. In the right time. Perfect timing. I guess I've asked it not to him, but to myself. Hanggang dito na lang ba tayo?
Ay, dito naman na tayo.
Inisip ko on my own. And I made the decision on my
Ang
own.
talino niya talaga, no?
And it ended like that.
May substance talaga siya. Hi, Javin. You're American boy. You're American boy. You're American boy. You're American boy. Ganda ni Kai. Ganda ni Kai. Ganda talaga ni Kai. Ay! Tsaka si Kai, ano siya, no? Parang on the go siya, no? On the go is sila ni Piang, oh. Okay. What's next? Uy, sa loob ng bahay. What do you think happened to each other? Tinan mo. Sweet. Ito yung hindi ko napansin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya talaga sila. Never ko talaga sila napansin. Simple moves. Or maybe dahil hindi ko lang binigyan ng mali siya. Pero never ko ito napanood eh. Anyways. Ay, ito na. Ito na video call sila. Gustong gusto ko to. Gustong gusto ko to. Yung eksena nila dito. Oh, this was part of Star Magic pala. Oo. This part pala to. Lahat pala sila may ganito. Akala ko naman silang dalawa lang. Hindi ko napanood yun eh. Pero napanood ko to kagabi. Eh. Invited sila sa ball. ABS-CBN ball. So mag-partner ang Karen. Tama? Mag-partner sila. Eh bakit hindi niya ka-partner si... Ay, si Zach pala yun. Si Zach pala yung ano niya. No. Ito. Ito siya. Daling. Daling. Cute ni Jared. What's this? Uy, ang sama niyo. Gets ko. Gets ko. Grabe. Wait lang. No. Ayoko lang sa PBB kasi mahirap mahirap siya i-edit. Ito. Hindi pa ako nakaget over dito. Grabe yung patience si Jaren dito. No? Sobra. Grabe yung patience si Jaren dito. What's up, Kai? Ang lambi ng what's up, Kai?
Excuse me, wait. Hold up. Ang sasabihin ko.
Hold up.
Ang sasabihin ko, guys. Ang sasabihin ko. Buta. Jaren, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Jaren.
Jaren.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
I can hear you. Hello?
Jaren,
Yes.
Oy,
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
haba ng pasensya.
Hello.
Ang haba ng pasensya.
Hello?
Hello.
Bro, I'm about to end this call. Stop playing around. Yes, I know you can hear me, guys.
Oh, I can hear you now. No.
I know you can hear me, Kai.
I have a question.
For real,
Hindi po.
like TikTok prank.
I know you can hear me, Kai.
Hindi.
Tino.
What is it?
No. This is real.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, cool. Cool talaga siya.
Face
Okay,
reveal
cool.
daw, face reveal.
Are you alive?
Are you live? Ang
Face
kulit.
reveal then.
Face, why? What's wrong if I'm live? Should I go live?
Turn on your camera, let me see.
Tingin ka, tingin ka,
Where are
tingin.
you?
Where are you?
Kita mo ba ako?
Where are
I can
you?
see you. Where are you?
Parang jowa talaga siya, no?
Inshallah.
Siya, la. Parang jowa talaga siya na magtanong.
Kanay utang.
Parang jowa siya. Where are you? Hmm? So, kaya hindi ka nag-inform, ha? Hindi ka nagpaalam, ha?
Ano, 50,000.
For what?
50K.
For what?
You know why? You know what happened?
For what?
I don't have a phone anymore.
What do you mean you don't have a phone? I see the reflection in your phone, bro.
That's my iPad!
Ayun na.
Your iPad is not that small.
Do you see
Isn't
this?
that small?
That's my iPad. That's what I'm calling you with.
Ay, London pala siya, hindi siya American boy.
That's the thing. It's gone.
What do you need 50K for then?
I need to get a phone. A new one.
And you, eh.
Do you not have 50K?
No. I'm broke. Kanay utang.
I'm broke, can I utang?
Why are you lying, bro?
I'm not lying.
What's the point of lying, bro?
Actually, it's worse. Sinasabihan lang kita ng 50K kasi I really need more than that. Shucks. I gotta pray to you know.
Ay, ganun ba talaga, ma'am?
So pretty, Kyle.
So pretty, guys. Words of affirmation. I love that. I love that. Wala silang bagong ganap ba? Kasi mga luma yung lumalabas ngayon, no? Ito. Hindi talaga ako makakit over din dito, eh. Ay, ito talaga sila. The night it's still... Grabe. Si Jaren, ibang-iba talaga tumiting dito kay Kai. As in... Ay, gwapo ni Jaren, no? Makagwapo. Parang mag-asawa sila dyan. Alam ko mga bata pa sila sa Korea. Yun na yung lumabas sa bibig ko. Nakamuo na ba ang lahat? Let's go home it. Oh, okay. Wait lang, parang ang daming bagong post nito ni KR Kairan Official. Parang ang dami niyang post. Oh, we watched this one already. Oh, hindi ko ito napanood.
We're not there right now, but thank you.
Mayaman naman ang Kairan. Yaman naman. Official may promising pin. I couldn't agree more. Bagay na bagay sa kanilang kantang yan. Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. Our Kailan compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!